Hello and welcome. So I'm at CMT Trade Fair and I'm not going to show you this motorhome. I'm going to show you this cockpit sofa bed, the Happy Lounge. It's actually manufactured by friends of mine. I've got to say that up front. But let's have a look at how a front sofa bed works in this motorhome. It's the Profiler T on the Fiat, 741 centimeters long, and the motorhome itself will cost around 90,000 euros. And so that is the sofa bed in action. But just before I do show you that, I'm going to show you the rest of it so you can see how the sofa bed sort of fits in this EuraMobil model. It also we've got it in Challenger, which is also manufactured by the Trigano group, which manufactures this vehicle, and you can also have it done for the Hymer as well. So I have actually shown it in Hymer vehicles too. Right, so you just have a brief look around there at this profiler. There you've got your burners, you've got a sink, you've got a fridge over here. I quite like the profiler. And right, so this is a semi-integrated model. I think obviously something like this sofa bed look nicer in an integrated, but then again I think everything looks nicer in an integrated, just about. But it creates this huge feeling. It'd be even more so if the table were out fully as well, but obviously it needs to be shown. Now the clever bit is that you've got two chairs, right? So in the center bit you can sit on that with no problem whatsoever. It takes, well, depends how heavy you are. If you're an elephant, it might be a problem, but then you're going to have a problem getting through the door if you're an elephant. The benefit is you can sort of sit up, as in this photograph. So that's my friend that is modeling it for it, and it's very, very simple really. It's just the bottom bit and these cushions, but it works. Anyway, I want to sit in the center now just to demonstrate that I'm not frightened of sitting in the center. There's me in the center. As you can see, I've got the two chairs. It's resting on the two chairs. Very clever, and it doesn't bother me. Also, I could stick my feet up there or there, and whereas I don't normally like the face-to-face setup, with this it works very, very well. In fact, it doesn't work so well in a non-face-to-face setup. It works really good with a face-to-face configuration in a camper van. Now this have we got the pricing here of it? You're looking at around, it depends, I mean it goes up to about 2,000 euros this setup. I mean you get sort of cheaper versions as well, depends exactly what has to be done and the upholstery and what have you, the vehicle that it's being put into. But it's a small company, artisanal production, and I think it looks very attractive in this vehicle. And I must point out, she didn't put me up to doing this. I've just done it without her knowledge. I just wanted to share it with you so you could see it. In fact, I didn't know her the first time I actually saw it. I saw it at Dusseldorf the first time about a year and a half ago, and that's how I met her and her husband. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Nice bit of kit there, and bye for now from me in Stuttgart.